Hi guys, welcome to Global Cars Brands. In this video we'll take a closer look at the best truck brands in 2022. The pickup truck, the worker's iron horse and the backbone of America, at least that's what older people think of old school trucks. Us, on the other hand, think of them as vintage cars, resto-mod projects and cool memories from the countryside. One way or another, their value is unquestionable and their historic importance is undeniable. What about their modern counterparts? In 2019, pickup trucks represented over 3.1 million vehicle sales in the U.S., and they dominated America's best-selling vehicles list a year after. Today, trucks are ridiculously cool, powerful, and will easily tow impressive loads while delivering incredible comfort and features. Versatile, luxurious and possibly expensive, modern trucks are way more than just useful means of transportation. What truck brand to go for? Pickup truck drivers have firm opinions about what brand is best and why. Even family histories come into play before making a decision to buy a brand new truck. Aside from personal preferences, statistics and numbers are also worth considering. Brand history and reputation, horsepower, towing capacity and fuel economy seem like the most obvious details to take a look at before making your choice. But that's not all it takes. Customer rating might influence some people as well, but it might not be the best idea to purchase an expensive truck just because some people online thought it was worth it. What about interior comfort, design lines, state-of-the-art technologies or build quality? Virtually limitless when it comes to potential configurations, pickup trucks can end up looking outrageous and expensive. Let's not forget there is a wide range of aftermarket options and customizations that will easily make even Ferrari owners feeling envious. What are the best trucks you could get your hands on in 2022? We've got you covered, and following extensive research we invite you to take a closer look at our list with the best truck brands right now. Toyota. The Toyota Tacoma is known for its extensive list of features, and the 2022 model seems to have improved upon perfection. I doubt our grandfathers even dreamt about enjoying an infotainment system or touchscreen on their way to work. Packing driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, the Tacoma still feels like it's been left behind the Tundra's dust. Underpowered, yet thoroughly upgraded, the top-level Tacoma is definitely a truck worthy of attention. But what do you think about the newest Toyota Tundra? The newest truck in the company's full-size segment, the third-generation Tundra brags about a twin-turbo hybrid V6 capable of developing 437 horsepower. A 10-speed automatic transmission was chosen to deliver the power to the wheels. The suspension of the truck has been improved upon, by fitting coil springs for improved handling. If you're looking for a more bold attitude, feel free to go for the Tundra TRD Pro. These models feature skid plates, a suspension lift, as well as dark alloys complemented by all-terrain tires. Nissan. Although Nissan is mostly being researched by people looking for mid-sized cars with a Nissan or Renault badge up front, the Japanese car brand is known to release a few interesting trucks over the years. The 2022 Nissan Frontier has been scoring big in terms of reliability, packing an engine powerful enough to keep any driver feeling excited. It seems some critics believe that towing capacity and gas mileage should be improved upon, while the overall design and noisy cabin might also distract some from their otherwise pleasant day. On the other hand, the 2022 Nissan Titan packs a V8 engine, good for about 400 horsepower, the largest engine in its class, complemented by a 9-speed automatic transmission. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available as standard equipment, complemented by an 8-inch touchscreen, there is far less to complain about. Did you know that the Titan is the only full-size truck to feature rear emergency braking? Sure, its towing abilities are far from impressive, but this truck will handle its off-road business, especially if you go for the Pro 4X trim. GMC. The 2022 GMC Canyon has been dubbed as a more glamorous version of the Chevy Colorado, due to a simple reason: the two models are quite similar underneath the surface. But they're very different when you get behind the wheel. Able to tow up to 7,700 pounds, taking down most other trucks on the market, the Canyon will easily demonstrate it handles just like an SUV. Speaking of which, the interior does not look too shabby. Featuring smartphone integration and 2 USB ports, the cabin of the Canyon might just be considered luxurious. GMC markets its midsizer as a premium pickup. As such, owners will receive chrome fittings and features, such as heated and cooled seats. Also worthy of attention, the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 has 5 engine options to choose from, the most powerful of which is a 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Similar to the Chevrolet Silverado, the Sierra is available in either rear or all-wheel drive. Able to tow just about anything you might need, this truck makes an impression on the inside, as well. The cabin features high-quality materials, a user-friendly infotainment system and brags about smartphone integration. If you have some extra cash to spend, the Sierra AT4 model will include 2.0 inches of suspension lift and various off-road equipment, as well as more chrome and sharper lines. Why say no to that? Chevrolet. Speaking of Chevrolet, everyone seems to love the new Chevrolet Colorado, a revamped midsize pickup that delivers day-to-day versatility thanks to its considerable towing and payload ratings. It also promises a smooth ride, impressive handling, and an overall satisfying package. On the inside, the infotainment system has smartphone integration and 2 USB ports, while hard plastic components add a touch of old-school truck feel to the atmosphere. The Colorado will allow you to choose from 3 different engines, yet not enough to please a wider audience. The 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 seems to win, or it would be a popularity contest. With a redesigned attitude and a fresh interior that includes a generous 13.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, people are said to feel happy. Capable of towing 13,400 pounds, this full-size pickup will put others in its class to shame. With 5 engines to choose from, the Silverado was meant to please just about anyone. The 420 horsepower 6.2-liter V8 was designed to deactivate up to 6 cylinders when necessary, while the 277 horsepower 6-cylinder turbo diesel will do 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Whatever you choose, a 10-speed automatic transmission will be along for the ride. The ZR2 Guise was meant to deliver off-road thrills, and features special bumpers as well as a 2.5-inch suspension lift. Honda. A name that's been associated with durability for decades now, Honda decided to sustain this praise by making things simple. They only offer one pickup, one model. Enter the 2022 Honda Ridgeline. This pickup is being praised for its generous interior and comfortable ride. Also worth mentioning are the excellent safety scores justified by a wide selection of standard safety tech features. Sure, it won't take down other more powerful American counterparts when it comes to towing capabilities, but the car's V6 engine will easily handle its business. Able to accelerate quickly and brag about fuel efficiency, this pickup truck will do so while teasing you with an infotainment system, with smartphone integration and 2 USB ports. Please note that no amount of money will get you an off-road ready model of the Ridgeline, simply because there isn't one. Ford. Ford is a name that just can't be ignored when it comes to pickup trucks. We're pretty sure that at least one of those classic Ford pickups has made an impression on you, even if you happen to live in Europe or anywhere else in the world, and you don't normally see those on the road. But today's pickup trucks from Ford are at a completely new level, and the 2022 Ford Ranger is no exception. This very capable compact model can only be purchased with one engine. Although most Americans don't want to hear about a Turbo 4 configuration, this unit delivers impressive acceleration and fuel efficiency. Towing capabilities are also decent, to say the least. On the inside, things remain somewhat dull, although some extra cash will get you the Sync 3 infotainment system. On the other hand, the Ford F-150 always delivers on its promise. This iconic pickup truck has been the best-selling vehicle in the U.S. for 43 years straight, and it's still going strong. The 2022 iteration stands proud among its competitors, with this full-size pickup allowing you a choice from 6 engines. Bragging about almost outrageous towing and hauling capabilities. The base trim is a basic truck, with the cabin easily making that obvious. However, the 430 horsepower hybrid version is a first and puts Ford on the cool and environmentally friendly map. With 3 cab configurations up for grabs, with a long or short bed, this truck will get you smiling. At the end of the day, it's the menacing 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor that gets us daydreaming. Looking like it means serious business, the 3rd generation Raptor is a bulkier cousin of the F-150 pickup. However, this high-performance machine has more to brag about than impressive off-road equipment, such as a sophisticated long travel suspension and 37-inch BF Goodrich KO2 all-terrain tires. A 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 was fitted under the bonnet, with a 10-speed automatic transmission keeping everything in check. An even more ferocious Raptor R, packing a supercharged V8 engine capable of developing 700 plus ponies, has been announced. Using the latest generation of F-Series equipment, the Raptor also features Fox Racing variable compression dampers and multi-link rear suspension, while the bulky fenders and 3 amber LED lights in the grille help with the overall menacing vibes. Ram. We do love that logo, don't we? Ram has a special vibe to it, a kind of outrageous wild attitude about their trucks that we hope can control, or at least enjoy on a daily basis. Their one full-size Ram 1500 pickup can be had with one of 4 engines, and of course everyone is going crazy over the 395 horsepower V8. The optional Hemi V8 with hybrid systems reminds us the company is keeping up with modern trends. Riding soft, riding comfy. Thanks to an innovative air suspension, this truck has been redesigned, with the cabin featuring high-quality materials and impressive trim levels. The user-friendly Uconnect system comes as standard and includes a Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB ports, not to mention 12.0-inch touchscreen. The Ram is an easy pick, thanks to the built-in cargo bed bins, split folding tailgate, various features and impressive capabilities. The release of the 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX has made everyone feeling excited. Packing a 6.2-liter V8 Hellcat-sourced engine while showing off a wider body, this truck sits on a reinforced frame and rides on tweaked suspension system. There's no way around it, the cabin looked luxurious and packed with cool features. A 12-inch touchscreen infotainment, a head-up display, heated and ventilated front seats, and carbon fiber accents make drivers feel like they're driving a supercar. The engine certainly sounds that way. What say you? Jeep. You didn't expect to see this name on the list, did you? Neither did we, but the fact of the matter is that the world around us is changing. People's preferences, automakers' concepts, and the need to satisfy customers always prevails. Jeep has been around for a while, and their range currently includes sport utility vehicles, as well one pickup truck. You've guessed where our focus lies. Prior to 1940, the term Jeep had been used as U.S. Army slang for new recruits or vehicles, but things changed soon after, and the Willys name captured our imagination. Having developed the original four-wheel drive mass production vehicle, Jeep might just have the skills and expertise to come up with a cool and versatile truck. Rolling out from Toledo, Ohio, the Jeep Gladiator looks cool and features a cargo bed to make sure your needs are satisfied. This midsize pickup is what a Jeep Wrangler looks like when it actually plans to be useful. The longer wheelbase has improved the ride, although it won't be easy to handle on the trails. A powerful V6 was mated to a standard stick-shift transmission, although the Gladiator is perfectly capable of making diesel fans smile as well. A bit pricey, we'll give you that. However, the removable body panels and overall rugged vibe makes this a very desirable vehicle. I know I want one. Best of the best. According to customer and driver opinions, a hierarchy of trucks has been recognized as the status quo of North American pickup truck market. This is in no manner our way of telling you which truck is best or which you should pick. However, it might provide you with the landmark you need before making a decision. Best compact trucks. 2022 Ford Maverick. 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Best midsize trucks. 2022 Chevrolet Colorado. 2022 Honda Ridgeline. 2022 GMC Canyon. 2022 Jeep Gladiator. Best full-size trucks. 2022 Ford F-150. 2022 Ram 1500. 2022 GMC Sierra 1500. Best electric trucks. 2022 Tesla Cybertruck. 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning. 2022 GMC Hummer EV. Best heavy-duty trucks. 2022 Ram 2500. 2022 Ford F-250. 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Best heavy-duty dually trucks. 2022 Ram 3500. 2022 Ford F-350. 2022 GMC Sierra 3500 HD. These you have it, these are the best trucks and the best truck brands of 2022. Which one would you go for? We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that like button, leave a comment, and of course, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.